3 simple steps to prevent laundry washer machine flood. Number 1. Old washer machine hoses. Check them right now. And if you have old rubber hoses or plastic hoses, discard them. Throw them out right now. They are lower quality and have been known to burst and cause flooding. Also, if your washer machine hoses are more than 10 years old, replace them. Replace them with newer metal braided hoses. These braided hoses are much higher quality and well built compared to the older style. It's as easy as turning off the water behind your washer machine and screwing on the new hoses. Typically, hand tight is even enough. Number 2. Washer machine drip pan. This is simple and an inexpensive fix. Simply purchase a laundry washer machine drain pan and place it under your washer machine. Washer machines are somewhat heavy and awkward, so you may need another person when placing these pans under your washer machine. Bonus tip: if you can even purchase a water alarm and place it inside the washer machine drain pan, you will know instantly if you have water leaking. Number 3. Secure your washer machine drain hoses. When your washer machine is draining, the pump is pushing that water out at a very high pressure and speed. These drain hoses have been known to lift out of position and cause a flood in the laundry room and water damage. Simply use something like zip ties to secure the washer machine drain hose to something firm nearby. This can be the shutoff valves, a laundry sink, a nearby faucet, almost anything that is solid and secure. These 3 tips will go a long way for peace of mind in helping preventing a laundry room flood.